Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of home convenience with the adjustable washing machine stand. Imagine this: no more bending down to load or unload your laundry. This innovative stand elevates your washing machine to the perfect height, making your laundry routine not just easier, but more ergonomic. But that's not all. It features adjustable legs, so you can customize the height to fit your space perfectly, ensuring stability on any floor. Plus, the stand is built with durable materials capable of holding even the heaviest machines, giving you peace of mind. And let's talk about organization. Many stands come with storage shelves, providing that much-needed space for detergents and fabric softeners, keeping your laundry area tidy. Whether you're a laundry pro or just trying to make chores easier, the adjustable washing machine stand is a game changer. Hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on making your home more efficient.